Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, just click on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that my app, which is booking.com, just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage and click on it. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!